Smoothing body hair mist. This is the complete one. Glow, Dew, and Plump. Oh, there is stuff. And the bubbles. Cherry. And cherry too. Oh, that is so cute. Oh, they also have the lemon. They're 3 pieces. These should be press on nails. Now I gotta use glue. It's $1.25. We have a lot of stocks, but if you like cherry and the Mountain Dew. Oh, what is it? Candy Shock. Mountain Dew and the Pepsi. I like this one too in one. Moisturizing lotion. I have also this color. And that is 12 pieces. Oh, this one is back. Oh, look. Made with rose oil peach. Oh. This right here. Oh, but they have another one. Look. Oh, conditioner. How about conditioner? I also have the black one. And also the gold one. They have also the babe sticker. I need to find the letters that is iron. Cherry, the strawberry. Gold Lake serum. There's also the pearl. Dove Milk moisturizing lotion. I have also this. Oh, they also have the tropical coconut and the cabana kiwi. These 12 pieces, and that is 12 pieces. Oh. Oh, this one is very cute. The watermelon, pineapple, and mango papaya face mask. I'm probably gonna use this. And it wake me up for brunch. They have the red, the yellow, and the white tape. On these, I know it's too early, but last year I did not get a chance to get this, so I'm just gonna get it. And if you need one, They have these, but this is not press on. Nail glue included. They also have the blue one and the pink one. The teeter. Oh, I want to be a princess. This is press on nail, but there's just plain. Oh, the anime doll. And then this is cute. I think this is for kids. Oh, it's Dante. How much is this? Here's the matching one. Oh, the glass. Watermelon, the unicorn, and rainbow. Yeah, that's it. There are ball pens. Something wall decoration, good vibes. Centerpieces and the banner. I also have a unicorn. Made in USA. What is this? The 8 hair ties. I just take it then.